pin here in the center. Here, climb up over here. Now, see if you can't get this chain up around that drawbar there. Go from this side and go up and over. Whoa! All right, hop out of here and I'll show you. Now, I'll show you how I was taught. I'm not an expert at this, so I might not be right, but I was always taught you don't use the hook to hook on like that. That you put the hook through and then hook it to the chain itself. All right, so we're going to get the chain on in 3 spots before we get started. It's a good way to whack yourself in the face right here. So I feel like it is very important that I insert a public service announcement right here. This is not a how-to. I have no clue what I'm doing. I have been taught by other people in my life that don't do this professionally, so I'm sure that there's a lot of things here that are incorrect. So if you are wanting to learn how to tie your equipment down, don't watch my videos. Go to a professional. You know, I know Messick's, they're a Kubota dealer. They do a lot of videos. They probably have one for strapping down a tractor. If not them, I'm sure there's some equipment manufacturer or trailer manufacturer that has a how-to. Don't trust me, I'm just some guy on the internet. Now, I am trying to teach my son here, but he's young enough that I have many years to, if I'm doing something wrong, I can amend that. Good morning, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Got everything loaded up last night in the dump trailer here. Got my chainsaw, everything in the back of the vehicle. And here after a bit, we're gonna be going to a friend's house to help him take down some trees. I thought it'd be nice just to have the forks. That way we can cut it up into longer sections, move it around. And then also he's got a little area of dirt. I don't know what it was or why, but that he said could use a little leveling. So I'm gonna see if I can level that out for him. I've already warned him I am not a skilled operator, and that it may be worse than it is after I'm done, but worst case scenario, he's still got to fix it. So we're going to get everything fueled up. Meant to do this before I put it on the trailer, but you know how it goes. So we'll get this fueled up. I've got a couple more things I want to throw in the trailer to make sure I've got, and then we'll get on the road here after a bit. This trailer's got some dew on it, and it is slicker than dog snot.
So those are for if the chainsaw about goes into your leg.
Yep.
It won't hurt you.
Yep, it'll, well, it might not hurt you. It's going to make it less likely to then. So we're back here at Shawnee Hills Workshop. You know, at the beginning of the day, I was doing a lot of videoing. I wanted to video the whole process, but towards the end, we were just trying to get done, and videoing takes a whole lot more time, and so I kind of just stopped there towards the end. So you got to see most of it. Got everything loaded up, and I'll show you. I got this maple log here. I'm looking forward to seeing. You know, it had a lot of water damage. Most of the log was rotten. This is the one section I'm going to be able to use that was straight enough to, I think, get some wood out of and not rotten. So hopefully it's got a lot of spalting in there from the water damage. We'll see, you know. May get a few good boards out of it. Well, I'm going to wait till tomorrow to unload the tractor, the bucket and the forks, all the chainsaws, everything. I also may or may not have ran over my friend's chainsaw. Now, in my defense, he put it in the tall grass where I was driving, but yeah, I hit a bump and all of a sudden I'm like, where'd you put your chainsaw? Like, it hit me instantly. So I'm going to fix that for him, and also got a weed eater of his that I told him I'd work on for him. But we'll get all this unloaded tomorrow. For now, I am going inside and taking a shower and going to bed. Well, like I always say, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like this kind of video, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why so I can try to get better. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. Click the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.